Hello everyone, my name is Maria Camila Peralta Espino. Today I will be talking about top three consonant and vowel sound. First, we will remember the alphabet, which consists of 26 letters: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. What is the IPA? International Phonetic Alphabet. The IPA is a phonetic notation system used to represent speech sound exactly. The vowels are A, E, I, O, U. In English, we have 12 sound vowels, long and short. The ones with the dots are long and another are short. For example, eat, eat, e. Example, eat. Let's continue with u. For example, good, and oo. For example, food. This vowel is e. For example, bed, and this is schwa and eh, eh. For example, t-shirt. This vowel is for example, bear. This is o. For example, door. And this vowel we have a. For example, cat, and a. For example, ad. And we have a. For example, car, and o. For example, on. Now talk about the diphthongs. They are eight diphthongs. The first group of three is on the sound swa. First, we go ia. For example, here. The following is ua. For example, um, core, core. Now this air. For example, air. Now let's go with the second clone first. A, A. For example, wait. The following is oi, oi. For example, boy, boy. And this I. For example, my, my. And finally, we have oh, oh. For example, so or go. And this out, out. For example, cow, cow. Now talk about occlusive consonant. Pencil, b, book, tiger, dog. For example, cheese. This is, for example, jungle, jungle. We have key, key. For example, kid. And finally, we have get. For example, go. Now, talk about consonant fricative. For example, fish. And this, very, very, thin. This, that, the, six, so, so, shoes, shoes, and finally, z, television. To finish, um, we have m, for example, monkey, and in, nose, in, for example, spring, spring, ha, for example, house, home, horse. Now, uh, live, light, live, light, ra, ra, for example, red, red, wa, wa, window, window. And the last consonant is yeah, yes. This is everything. Thank you for watching.